Hello everyone, lovers of freedom and Biafrans at large. This is Pasidonas TV, bringing to you exposition number 8 on Simon Ekpa, on how Simon Ekpa continued to bring himself out to the public to show that he is not in this struggle for Biafra restoration. Instead, that he joined or he started talking about Biafra because he wants to sabotage the leadership of IPOB and this struggle as well. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu sent earlier signal to show that whatever Simon is doing, that he is not in support of it and that he is not interested in what Simon is doing. Well, today is 13th of November 2021. Why am I saying the date? So that you will know when each exposition is made. We already have series of expositions on Simon Ekpa, exposition number 1 through exposition number 7. These expositions that we are doing is for record purposes. Well, the last exposition I made was probably 3 weeks to 1 month now. And since then, I've been occupied with other things. And that is why this very one I'm making, I will start from the last place I should have started. Because a lot of things has happened. So I won't just come out and start, making exposition on the recent issues on Simon Ekpa. No, I'm coming to those ones. So I will try as much as I can to meet up with the latest or the recent happenings on Simon Ekpa. Meanwhile, we are on Facebook with the same name, Pasidonas TV, and as well on YouTube. Please, if you like what we are doing, do share our videos and also give us a thumbs up. Some will say, why always making series of exposition on Simon Ekpa? Like I said, one of the reasons is for record purposes. And another reason is for the gullible to see if we can redeem them, to see if they can understand and open their eyes and know what is happening. Because so many people they're just follow. They don't even know or understand what is happening. So it's one of the reasons why we should keep teaching, making them to understand what is happening. For instance, if we check when we started these expositions on Simon Ekpa, a lot of persons have not come to realize or understand what is happening. At least I have heard some saying that, Nana, where their eyes don't clear, they don't even know that this guy don't mean any good for this struggle. Say they been no understand them before. Say this one happen, the other one happen. To tell you that when we started these expositions, a lot of people don't even understand or know what is going on or what was going on then. Well, like I said, I'm going to start from the previous things that happened, which I was not able to analyze or expose on Simon Ekpa exposition series. Okay, let me start from the no election issue in Anambra. No election issue in Anambra, Simon carried it on his head like, say, tomorrow no day. Every time Simon is talking about no election in Anambra, that this election will not hold, this will happen, the other one will not happen. It gets why it good make person they use in discernment. And I won't make you, as you they listen to me, and I make you they try the series with me. In one of my expositions, I don't talk about Simon not being an IPOB member. Even some gullibles till today, no believe, never understand, no fit gree, say Simon Ekpa no be IPOB registered member. Now, if na say Simon Ekpa, they go meeting, if understand how level be, if understand how things they take happen for this IPOB structure. Any reasonable person will say him be Biafra activist. Like me now, not be only Biafra matter why they talk. I dey talk other things where they happen for that zoo too. Other trending matters. Yeah? But as it be for this matter, person will call himself Biafra activist. What you supposed to? You supposed to dey wait. They hear first before you go talk. Wetin I mean make person wait to hear first before you go talk. If you say you be Biafra activist and say you dey under IPOB, where be say the structure where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu starts, you go to follow instructions. Wetin we dey do na see and see, command and control. If you not like them, shift one side or make you pack your bag, they go. So wetin any reasonable person go do for this struggle be say, when DOS don't talk matter, you go begin to propagate that matter when the DOS then don't talk. I don't listen one of the question and answer series where the members of the DOS been come on Radio Biafra. They come they talk about so many things. People come they ask questions. Now, Mazi Chinasa when they ask that thing, say whether election go hold in Anambra. Wetin make DOS don't talk anything about election? He talk say they go want know their style, like make I talk this one for Igbo. Akambaha. Make him be say they want just they watch. Make them know how things go begin to unfold. From that, they go know what thing they go talk or how they go plan matter. Even before Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, even before they kidnap him, person don't call on one of the question and answer series. Ask Mazi Nnamdi Kanu about this the same election. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu tell and say him and DOS them go deliberate on the election matter. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu never say election no go hold for Anambra. Yes, we Biafrans now, we know they campaign for any candidate or we say we go vote. No be wetin we dey talk. We know say we don't talk and several times say no election. So you 12 votes or we know those ones. But the matter be say based on the recent thing where they happen, waiting DOS talk and waiting Mazi Nnamdi talk for that matter. But Simon no gree allow person, make person drink, carry cup, drink water, keep. So then Simon Ekpa go dey talk say election, there will be no election in Anambra, this, that must happen. In fact, make I read one of the posts where he writes. So this thing now why I want to read now. Simon Ekpa write this thing on 18th of October. Make I read. He say, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the symbol of Biafra. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a man carrying pregnancy and about to give birth to Biafra. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's incarceration will definitely bring doom because the pregnancy is already almost 9 months. Anambra is part of Biafra, and as long as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in DSS dungeon, election can never hold in Anambra. Mark my word, election can never hold. The forces of Biafra, the spirit of Biafra, and the ghost of Biafra is out. Bring your 50,000 Fulanese men to Anambra. They can't hold the election in Anambra. I am Simon Ekpa, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's disciple on Biafra restoration. So, when I don't see him, as Simon talk this, so he say, mark his word, say election no go hold in Anambra. First, this is just insubordination. Simon, if Simon really mean good for this struggle, what is Simon supposed to do? He go just relax. The way how things be. Anything where you else talk, you go begin carry that thing, they propagate that thing. Since why there for this Biafra struggle, not only this period why I see waiting they happen when they happen before. Before, in they be like say if people now come like say they want attack Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or they want attack IPOB structure. Now so all the Biafrans, everybody go join hand, face that person or face that group. Before you go know what thing that happen. Those groups then they go just fizzle out. You know go hear about them on Facebook or social media again. But this one come they surprise me. You be say, not be say they surprise me. But in their difference because these ones they prepare for this matter. As in what I tell on be say Simon and his group of former highway, they prepare come for this matter. What it make me talk this thing? Be say never in the history of IPOB we can't get so many people who say they be IPOB members or what talk say they be Biafra sympathizers begin they saw DOS like this. They saw the leadership where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu put in place. It never happened. You know they happen. I know say some issues don't they in the past, but not be like that. Now even people say they fear to talk about Biafra, like to accuse Biafrans or to insult Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or to insult this leadership because Biafrans must descend on that person. But at this time around, why can't they see some Biafrans or people will be Biafran sympathizers? Can't they follow? They insult the DOS. Now to tell on I say something they there. Someone about them, people who give them these contracts really prepare them to make them come. And then I know waiting. Nelly. Then they call her Madam Fils and waiting be name. This one what this person they call Willy. Waiting be name. Rita Eze Onyisi. All of them prepare. Now waiting make them can they use it for another for that time? More than they attack DOS, more than they talk one kind thing, more than they talk there. But as God, where they live in heaven, where they see everything. No say fair, omote Biafra. Say in carrying good hearts, come join this struggle. When this lady notice waiting that happen, say no. Say no, say they don't give me money, say make I betray Biafra. But this say when they give me money, now they use this one, make they use and close my mouth. Say she no go let that thing be like that. Now so this girl begin the talk. Begin to expose so many things that don't happen for back. And not be today where this lady begin to contact this effort. It don't take since 2020. This is to tell you, say, these people say they prepare, come. And if a talk say, the first person will share that Enter Biafra app, give them. Now, Madam Oyibo, when Simon Ekpa never even begin to talk about it. When never begin to talk about it much on Facebook. Now, these women, them go, they share those things they give. And Simon gonna talk, say, that app, I heard that some people have downloaded it. Okay, if you have downloaded it, no problem. Keep it to yourself. I don't even know how they get to know about it. I don't even know how they get to... So I'm beginning to ask now, okay, now I want to know now what is the name, this, that. You don't know how they get the app. You want to tell me, say you open app, at the app there, you don't tell anybody, person, no, how people will take no say you get app. Not you can begin to advertise and they put the name of the app where you open. Well, make that matter there aside. What it make me they analyze this thing now, they talk like this now, because of the way where Simon Ekpa carry this no election of a thing. If not say DOS don't talk, say, when I talk DOS, I talk Directorate of State. If not say they don't talk, say, election no go ho, it go be another matter entirely. So if someone they talk now, the ginger, say there will be no election, people go understand them. But the DOS never talk anything. Because Simon, he there faster than his shadow. He won't prove himself. He won't help to say, you know, he be organ for this struggle. Or he be, you know. So they got to tell people, mark my word, there will be no election in Anambra. Simon Ekpa and your followers. I mark the word, now 18th of October, now you talk this thing, what thing happen? Election don't hold in Anambra, result don't come out too. Salute the 9 win. So if APC no agree again or they won't go Supreme Court, that one is their business. But finally, election ho. How you go begin to talk something where you never even there sure of? You think say you be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Martin and they can never even talk something to say, mark my word, or did this thing. So unless the thing when Martin and they go talk, you go just stay, maybe we just take notes. You know when they do like say, mark my word, this, that, the other one. So that we don't mark your word now. What thing happen? Election ho. So who gonna deceive who now? Hey, Simon, I just laugh. And that thing now, the slogan where Simon Ekpa they two use, what you don't know is bigger than you. So then one of the posts when make on 28th of October can say, I am only on social media. What did I even know, self? Because people, so many people don't attack and don't talk, say, if not the team, we broadcast, people they talk on social media, say, you know, go bring Biafra for us. So a lot of them, don't they do this broadcast, don't they talk, so they, even before Simon come. Simon now come they put body like say, okay, maybe people think say only Facebook when they, maybe in get something when they do on the ground or in get men on ground. But all this thing na waiting, na lie. Hash Simon, go and open your own struggle. Hashtag Simon, go and open your own struggle. I don't know what thing go make Simon, they always they criticize. They insult DOS every time they criticize them. I don't know what thing they do, Simon. I mean, no say they don't do anything. Okay, Simon come they talk in one of his posts when make on October 28th. I go just read some part of that post. He say, before you set me up in Biafra struggle, make sure you have consulted a Dibia that is not born of a woman and also a creature from God, for only then you can attempt. Hey, who wants set Simon Ekpa up? Who wants set him up? Every time you're going to make indirect speech, they make indirect speech. They make indirect speech. Like say, in one, I don't know. I don't understand this Simon. Do us not do anything, no. And each time, when they want to address you as them, you know they call their names. You go want to use one way or the other. Talk something about them. So, like I said, you know they talk them direct. You always want to talk them indirectly. Now, Simon say in one cleaning temple, in one clean the space, you see the when they do brokers, carry women come for this for in cleaning. Later come they talk say women must be respected. Whether those ones we can do the cleaning for them, or other ones they must be respected. This must happen, the other one must happen. I can't laugh. Because Simon know the one use here say people call those mother. Or people call out the things and what they do. You know the like and say anybody will talk you go one use one way or the other. You go one use one way or the other. Bring the matter join. What it makes plenty people still they gullible for where this Simon day. Now because of things where they go use their eyes see with the thing where the eyes they as in the things where person eyes fit catch. As I they talk to Nana, I don't they look the temple in the way waiting be name where Simon saying it. Even the temple when they call temple when they try to nine dining room. Nine dining room. Nine use oh. And the things where they for your house now old things so. And I know blame her. I know blame him say he gets old things for your house because so many people they like old things. They go like them, buy them, they use them. So Simon they too like display things. So because so many people believe waiting their eyes they see. So Simon now one of his strategies now to cause distractions. You go drink water, you go use golden cup. You get some now go listen to this my people. They go say they envy Simon. You go drink cup, you go use waiting be name, you go use golden cup, you go one drink water, you go use golden cup, you go to do everything. Like say the only thing where you remember say make you know shit come out outside, can't show people how the thing be. So everything way they do, one they show on social media, one make everybody they see them. So when people go to see those things, they go to ginger and they say, nah, this man, this man be this, or this man be that, to see nah. So now so the thing be. Him they always try to show himself. So all those small things them, now distractions. When I never see Mazi can don't talk and say, what's it make him know they use, no they appear on social media if they give live broadcast, because some people go they distracted. They don't go listen to what he go to talk, they go to listen in hair, they listen in hair, they listen in eye, they listen in nose. Mazi can talk and say, you know, so many people know go they, you know, they follow instructions or they follow what they do, or the things they when they teach. Now what make them, you know, they show in face, I think they talk. No only audio. But when I brought Simon, but anytime when you want to do, you go one show, they try to showcase everything. You go drink water with this, you go do the other one, you go. Now who don't know? Now who don't know? No go know. So when I notice say that in a big thing, say someone but they use them. In they always try to display. I remember the time when in go that Finland something happen when in carry saying go give Finland the president letter. Person come to ask and say this letter now when they talk now, come they carry they disturb people. Same as in the county, don't do all these things, don't send letters to so many places. You come to holler the person, whether na the letter na write them, whether na in business, say na him be Simon na write and na so you want and na so you go be. See if you want publisher, say no be the guy matter, say na his own matter. Una they see him. So now one time is I don't know how when they talk say after Mazina they can na Simon as she will move. I can't they wonder. Even if I there for dream, if wanna go check my previous broadcast, my previous exposition on Simon Ekpa, una go know everything wanna know about this guy. Now the time where this guy begin the mumu, the time why I know say this guy the mumu, I still put him there. Now that time why I begin the lose, father, that time why I start to lose respect, what I get for this guy. Is there one of my exposition? That time say people I never even begin to clear at all. It always try to showcase. So the time when I saying go protest, I don't agree watch that. I don't know how that thing be to me. Just they serious, they one side the video itself. Carry suit to we are saying they use go protest. Because people don't they call them out, even though you may show but some other comment don't they call them out. Simon, IPF member, you know be contribute money, you know contribute. Ordinary protest where everybody they go for Europe, you know they go. Now wait till make can go wrong, go do that one. Beg, I know what laugh. My people, not only people who get spiritual eyes, and people where they fit stay reason, like think deep, meditate, try to, you know, put one or two things to understand what thing that happen. In no way can you compare this Simon of the guy with Martin and they can at all. They not even resemble in any way. Me no say Simon come for this struggle to sabotage. One always enough proof they come. Enough things they come. Me know that one. And aside from that, say in come to sabotage. As in they try to I don't know. The guy too proud. Like he too brag. He too they show off. Who be Simon? How much I can wear Simon chop? Simon ordinary blogger where they hustle for streets. We don't see Biafra struggle for niche. If we use and you go and they do niche, like say, if you don't know what be niche, like say, the matter what you want they talk on social media. Like get where they social media, what they do na saga. You get where they social media, what they do that they cook. You get where they social media, what they do that they teach people how to do these things or how to do the other one. Simon own, it matter what they do for social media, as they talk this Biafra matter. Because he knows say this Biafra matter, they give him money. So this guy no come, he no come add anything for this struggle. Other than Tisa. You see how this guy they talk this election, no force. You hear the one went right, he said, no amount of force, you make election take place in Anambra. Who be Simon? Simon no they give order. What thing just they do? We say, you else don't give order. You go begin to give counter order. I don't know wetin make some people their eyes never clear, make them see, understand wetin this guy mean. Say this guy no mean any good. Okay, after our elders, the first time when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come for court, that was on 21st of October. The elders then where they go. Appreciation where this guy, Ezif and others go. Appreciation where someone go talk say, our elders now they're sitting up, they're trying, at least they're coming to stay in solidarity with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Instead, Simon come they talk in one of his posts. Make I read see when he talk. He say the delegation of Ohanaeze and the Igbo leaders belong to the street of Abuja. So then come say they have put them where they belong. One of the reasons they should wake up and forget their dream of 2023. Wait, will they talk 2023 election now, or will they talk say to commend our elders will go Abuja on 21st? Simon never begin to insult them. Well, I thank you, I say, as in don't insult them finish. Talk waiting he talk finish. You know, make this our elders and many more no come next time. We'll be on set when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu get court case. Although say the court case no ho, but at least this our gallant and respected elders, they been come. So, not be say every time one person gonna do something, you gonna castigate the person. If the person do good, to make you just like tell the person saying do good. So, Simon matter, not be small thing, no. But the thing be say, people like me no go give up. Oh. As long as say Simon Ekpa continue to just the medal, they do anyhow for this Biafra agitation. Nobody they ask and say make you no go open your own, make you no go start your own struggle. No be the one where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu start, in go to put sand for this Gary. Like saying they put Aja for Gary. We no go let Simon do that too. That day when you don't hear say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu appear in court, in one of the write-up, he can say he will continue be doing his best. He will not allow Satan to enter him. When I see this post, I just laugh. Because he don't see say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu appear in court, and he don't see say some people don't decode the thing where he don't they do. Now he come begin to talk that one, say you know got last set and make it enter him. Someone not ashamed, say among all the people where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come recommend online, not only he went talk say make Satan no enter him. Even the day when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk, when they say why not say whether Simon no, na Simon no go dey like that now. Because we know not only she they see in spirit, they see everything. You don't see, say Simon Ekpa, no biam. Say Simon Ekpa. Say carry another thing for mind, they come. In carry another thing for mind, they come. And now this thing where some people never understand. And now waiting will make us to continue to talk about this. So people eyes go open. Then go know, then go understand why Simon Ekpa come for this struggle. And what they come they do. Well, this exposition will continue. Tomorrow being 14th of November, I will try to do exposition 9. If possible, I will do exposition 9, 10, and 11. Yeah, because plenty things they where I go talk. Even this thing where Simon Ekpa talk say them block and for our leader Twitter handle. I go still talk the matter. In fact, plenty thing where I go talk, but for now, I go one stop here. Make you go check other of our series expositions and what we don't do. When you check them finish, you can understand the things and where we they talk. A lot of things, because we get so many things. So that people go understand what thing they happen. Say this guy no mean any good. He no mean any good for this struggle. He no mean any good. And now he continue the insult the DOS. The structure of this leadership. I go stop here. See you soon on my next video. Bye.